Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a cool DIY project, building your very own hand crank generator. It's a fantastic educational project that shows you how to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. And we'll use it to light up an LED. So, what do we need? First up, we'll need a large geared DC motor. You could also use a stepper motor if that's what you have on hand. The motor is the heart of our generator. Then, we'll need a handle. This could be made from wood or plastic. It's what we'll be cranking to generate power. Next, we'll need some basic electronic components to complete the circuit. This includes a bridge rectifier. The motor generates alternating current, or AC, and the bridge rectifier will convert that AC into direct current, or DC, which our LED needs to function. And, of course, we'll need an LED. Make sure you pick an LED that is suitable for the voltage you anticipate generating. Let's start assembling. First, attach the handle to the motor's shaft. This is the part we'll be turning. Secure it firmly so it doesn't slip. Then, we need to create our circuit. Connect the motor's output wires to the input terminals of the bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier has two output terminals. Connect these output terminals to the positive and negative terminals of the LED. Make sure the polarity is correct. The positive side of the LED must connect to the positive terminal of the bridge rectifier. Now, let's test it out. With everything connected, we're ready for the fun part. Start cranking the handle. As you crank the handle, the motor spins. The spinning motor generates electricity, which passes through the bridge rectifier. The bridge rectifier converts the AC power to DC. This DC power then flows to the LED, causing it to light up. You should be able to see the LED light up when you crank the handle. The faster you crank, the more electricity you generate, and the brighter the LED will shine. This project is a great way to learn about energy conversion. It's a hands-on way to understand how generators work and how electricity is produced. Safety first. Always be careful when working with electrical components. Don't touch any exposed wires while the generator is in operation. And always unplug or disconnect your circuit from any power sources before working on it. So, there you have it, a simple, yet effective, hand crank generator. This project is not only educational but also a lot of fun. Give it a try, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more cool DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.